And we're ready for Tuesday's work. Remember, Monday's work was that you did textbook pages 124, 125, 126, and 127, and now you have background knowledge on incomplete dominance and codominance. So let's take a look at this PowerPoint and see. We have codominance here, and you have a roan cattle, and you can see that one parent is cream color, the other parent is a brownish color, and together both their colors are on there. So that is our together, codominance. Codominance again, your phenotype, white chicken, black chicken, and together they have a speckled chicken. So they codominance, both of their colors come out. Incomplete dominance, we have a snapdragon that's red and a snapdragon that's white, and we can say that this is kind of a pinkish purple color, so that's incomplete. It blends it together. If you were to take a red flower and a white flower, and if it has a little of both, then that's our codominance. If it is a blending of the colors, the pink is the red and the white together, then that would be incomplete dominance. Now it's your turn to try. On a sheet of paper, you should have 8 answers and why you think it is codominance or incomplete dominance. Codominance and why, question mark, and incomplete dominance and why. So what do you see? That's what I'm looking for, the why. So this might be your paper. You can either just cut and paste this and use this and put your answers in there and then send them to me, or on a sheet of paper, take a picture of it. If you have an iPhone, you can put it in your notes and then take a picture of it and download it as a PDF and send it off to me. Okay, so we have slides 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so here is my slide 8. Let me move myself over here. There you go, so I'm not in your way. So what do you see and what do you think it is? Is it codominance or incomplete dominance? So you're going to go through here, slide 9. What is it and why? What do you see happening? What is it and why? We have a red fish, a blue fish, and together they have a fish that has blue and red markings. What is it and why? What do you see on slide 11? What do you think it is? Is it codominance or incomplete dominance? Here we have a white bear and a black bear, and together they're creating what the panda looks like. So they have markings that are both white and black. So you're going to decide whether you think it's incomplete dominance or codominance. Slide 12. Slide 13. What is it and why? We have a white horse, a black horse, and a gray horse. What is it and why? You have a white cookie and a chocolate cookie, black cookie, and it has half of it is white and the other half is black. You're going to decide whether you think it is codominant or incomplete dominance and why. What is it and why? This is my mom and dad. So we have the pink pig who has a mom and dad. I guess dad is white and mom, because she has a flower in her head, is red. So what do you think that is? Is that incomplete dominance or dominance? And why? What do you see? Now you can move on to, there are 3 videos that I would like you to watch. One is Moo Moo Math and Science, and it has to do with incomplete and codominance. Amoeba Sisters, incomplete and codominance, and that one's 7 minutes and 11 seconds. And you have the Amoeba Sisters, multi-alleles, and they're talking about blood typing. And they explain how you get your blood typing and Is that codominance? Is it incomplete dominance? And why? And why you can only receive certain kinds of blood for certain blood types. Well, have fun. I miss you, and I'll see you soon.